Hi, we are going to go through the Anvil interactive tutorials together. The first one. So, build an app in 5 steps. Start by creating a new blank app. What will it look like? They want us to choose material design. Now, we're supposed to drag a button from the toolbox into the body of the page. It looks like no matter where we drag it, it's going to snap it right there. So there's the button. This is very reminiscent of the GUI work that I did years ago, maybe over a decade ago. But here we go. We're going to change the text property to say hello. I think we have to go back to design and let's see where the property, oh, here's the text property. So let's call it say hello. I think that's what they want. Yeah. Now we want to write code that when button 1 gets clicked, we alert hello world. We're done. Wow. So then we click run. Let's call it hello world and rename it. Okay, so here's our button and it alerts hello world.